Today is a little chill back Sunday. Let OG borrow my jack so he could change his oil. He wants to change his own oil for some reason. Hey, me, I just take it to Jiffy Lube, let them do it. But hey, if a man wanna do it himself, why not? It's physical, keeps you in shape, it keeps you active, keep you doing something, I guess, and that's always the best.
My shit just want to get back in my car, man.
No, it just
keep coming to me though.
It just keep falling out.
Is it destined? Is it coincidental? What is that?
Oh, you can do it. You know how to do it. Yes, sir. So, finna change this oil, man. Get it situated. I said, this. You gonna walk me through it like this, step by step and stuff like that.
You gotta film me.
Like you gotta teach me how, like you teaching how to do it.
I'm trying to do the best I can. You just gotta follow and keep up. Don't ask me no questions. Just let me talk.
Yeah. Okay.
Hold it down.
No, I could go down on his own.
Go down. Go down on his own. What do you think you got?
You probably just throw it off track, but let me see.
Ready.
You just gotta press this button right here, Jack.
Right here. That's easy to loosen it right there. Just loosen it. Just for my hands to get it. Then I can twist it and leave it right there. Now the next thing I'm gonna do, put this down. I'm gonna set my jack up. And I'm gonna use your jack to set it up. Oh man, I ain't get the other part. I gotta get the wind up part out of your. Oh, I got it.
What's the tire?
Oh, I'm trying to see something.
But you just tighten it up.
I really want to take that off. Then I would have took the whole tire off. But I ain't gotta do that. Alright. I ain't gotta do that.
This Duke Hunt Show videos coming to you. Car work.
Assortment of tools here. I'm gonna use your jack. I'm gonna use your jack to jack my car.
All kind of content. Record it all. Teach you something. Got all the tools.
Yeah.
Got wrench, size, on the other side, Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
And that about right there. That's a good set. And then I take these parts and put this right here. This connects to that. Just like that. And then this goes to that one. Got that. Then I take
Make it extra long.
thing, and I come right here. Just like that. And I twist it. Hold up.
Yeah, I really be. I knew I heard that. Damn, my truck do look like it's leaning on that side a little, so you probably do need a little air in this tire. Over here. Oh no. Look like somebody scraped me already on that side. And somebody definitely scraped me on this side. Or is it the other side? It's the other side, this side. It's not too bad. But damn, Jack. Yeah, that's the tire right there that looks low.
There's the support jack.
Oh, damn.
Support jacks on each side, see? Do what I'm going with. Now, just a little bit more.
So what you gotta hook it onto a certain part?
Nope.
Just gotta catch something.
Good right there. Let's go right there. Good.
There you go. You know what I mean? Learning how to lift a car up to change the oil. You know what I mean? Got the you gotta put all this in there? Do people just come back here and dump shit or something?
Yeah, you do. You build the community. community.
So you find a nice solid spot to hook that up. Under. This video is for people that don't know this.
Right.
You know? This what you call content. Man, people watch stuff like this. People be wanting to learn stuff. I know I'm one of them. I like to learn stuff, you know?
I got some pork steaks I'm selling for $4 for 3 packages of them. Yeah, that's it.
I'm good, man.
No, thank you, sir.
I ain't got no money no way.
All right.
Let it down a little bit. I'll put some tension on this.
Oh, you putting it back up?
Now I'm just getting a little tension on it. Just a little tension. The car is solid. The car is solid. Now for the second part. I'm going to take my bucket. First, I'm going to straighten tires. All right. Hey,
Yep.
look on the table and give me that socket wrench.
That what?
The socket wrench.
The,
With the socket on.
the second biggest one?
No, the socket wrench. The whole thing is connected already.
Okay.
No.
Oh, this one.
Let me see, yeah. I gotta crack this nut. I gotta get my arm.
Don't. That kind of looked like it was going down a little bit, OG.
What's going down?
You see the car? Did the car go down a little bit?
Nope. Could hallucinate.
Alright. Look like you want to get out just in case and see if it got to go up a little bit?
Nope. It gotta stay just like this. I can't put no torque on this bitch. I gotta figure out which way I gotta turn this bitch. There you go. Got that baby now. Got that baby. Got that baby. I got that baby. I'm gonna fuck that bitch tonight, nigga. You just hold her legs and I'm gonna do the wilding on that ass, boy. Anyway, nigga, we in business, boy. I told you, boy, fuck OG. OG show you. OG show you how to pass it down. Could have been somewhere getting in trouble.
Right. But instead, I'm sitting here learning how to change oil. You know what I mean?
You know what? You could have been somewhere getting in trouble. Now, so what I'm gonna do now?
Hold on, I'm finna put this in my truck. Fucking battery went dead. Gotta change the battery in that camera. I always gotta change the battery.
I'm putting this towel down there for any kind of
so it won't burn and leave a smell.
Yeah, because you're gonna spill some drops. You can't help that. Even at the shop, you're gonna see it gonna drop. But the first thing you want to do, look at me, put the camera on. The first thing you want to do after you get the setup, you get that all jacked up, secured. Make sure the shit don't fall on you, just turn it to pancakes. First thing you want to do is make sure it's secure. See, look, I can get on the dance and do all the time.
Okay, so that's why you said no. You seeing stuff.
Yeah. So first thing you want to do, you want to take the oil filter off first, which is right there below when you open the hood. Mine's right there. I don't know where yours is. So I'm gonna use it with my hands. Do that with my hands. Good right there. I'm gonna leave that right there though. I need my bucket. Yeah, you know what up on there. You ain't got no business up on there. My bucket will be in. That's gonna be kind of hard. Let me see. Let me do that. Right there. What about right there? That's all I can do. There's gonna be some oil leaks, but anyway, I don't know what to tell you.
No, you doing it now?
Yeah, I'm screwing it out. There you go. Yeah, you're gonna get a little bit. This big gonna drain. This big gonna drain.
Back on the camera, off the iPhone. Get me a new camera soon. Somebody donated something. Donating to the project. Cash App, anything. Get new cameras, microphones.
They gave me the wrong filter, but it's gonna work though.
The
See the
filter?
numbers? This one I just took off. S105990XL. It's the same thing, but the 5 is missing.
6, yeah.
Of 6, whatever that is.
That's a 6, that's a 5.
0.
This one a little fatter, that one's a little longer.
Yeah, but I guess it still works.
You sure? Or we need to go back and get the one that actually worked?
Huh?
Or we should go get the one that actually worked?
I may have to shut this all down to do that.
Shit.
And then you have to take me.
If that's what you gotta do, you gotta do it. But if that's what you have to do you got to?
This is the one come off the bitch.
So I'm saying, is they two different ones?
Like this, I said, y'all sold me the wrong motherfucker.
Right.
This come off my car. This what I want. You trying to tell me this work?
Oh, so that's what they saying, that it worked. If it probably worked, it worked. Oh, that's probably gonna have to reach up to the. Yeah, you probably gonna need.
What you think?
I don't know.
Wanna call him up?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Get my phone, call him up. Right there on Wright Street.
I was on Wright Street. Because they might gave it to you for a reason.
It could be, because that was the XL. This is the LT. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's not the LT. Come on, you can relate it, man. You can relate it. You can relate it. All right, I get it. Yeah, how you doing, man?
Good.
All right, listen, I purchased a oil filter for a 2012 Chevy Impala, maybe yesterday. Yeah. And I'm looking at the differential and the difference of the oil filter. I'm looking at what I bought from you yesterday, and the numbers are different.
Okay.
Okay.
Same brand?
It's the same brand, you know, for LT. It's a shorter it's a shorter filter. It's a it's a S10060XL. Now the one that I just taken off my car is a S10590XL. Is there any different rental in that? Is that gonna make any difference?
Yeah, we want to get you the right one.
Okay, then I need to come back and then bring this back to you.
Yes, sir. We'll take care of you.
All right, I'm on my way and be there in about 15 minutes.
Sounds good. Thanks.
All right. So I just put this up, man. We cool.
So he looked it up and everything and said you need.
Yeah. The motherfucker that did it yesterday, I kind of looked at him too. You know that? I looked at him
Because why he didn't look it up? He didn't look it up right away or something?
It was just a moment. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know you gotta get to know your car.
Okay.
You gotta get to know your car, bro. And that's what I did.
Yeah, I mean, that's good that you didn't just throw the wrong thing in there. Then some probably would have fucked something else up.
What the fuck something else up? A dude just said no. But we gotta do everything in that car. Still got time. It don't take 6 to do this now.
Be back. Blue Control Visuals, tapping out.
Good.
Yeah, you did. Look
A
like.
little tab. Almost. I thought about it. It would have been bad.
What would have happened?
Oh, it would have went everywhere. Man, where you like that, man? Not that way. So at this point, you know what I got to do? If there was an 18-wheeler, if there was an 18, I used to work on motherfucking Freight Liners, Kenworth, Peterbilt. You know, that's the big motherfucker, right?
Yeah.
They got some motherfucking oil filter this long.
You used to work on the engines?
Yeah, look, they were this long and they this big around down there. And before you could put the oil in it, and they got a certain kind of oil, it ain't this a bullshit. You have to fill the filter up with a fucking half a gallon of oil in that motherfucker in the filter before you can even put that bitch on. Cars, and you gotta do that shit.
Damn.
So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna go ahead on and screw the filter on with my hand. I don't really need no tool to do that.
Oh, what?
You dig? So you just gonna just ease it on there, take your time, find the hole. Wait a minute, but wait before we do that. Gotta make sure that the rubber's on there. See the rubber gasket?
Right.
And make sure that ain't no rubber gasket stuck on this one. And it ain't. It's not one. That way it don't want to be like that. So, there you go. You're gonna You're gonna screw that on there. You got a shot? You're gonna screw it on with your hand slightly to the right. And you keep on going. And then what you're gonna feel is the rubber meeting the housing of the oil filter chamber. And you're gonna just twist it with your hand. And you ain't gotta put it all the way super tight. Just a good snug, nice little firm snug that way, because eventually it'll tighten up on its own. So you leave it about right there. So it's on there. Now at this point, I gotta get my ass.
So did you leak all the? I mean, did all of it leak out? The oil?
No, I ain't never pulled the plug drain yet. I'm finna do that now.
Okay, so you could do that after you put that on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crawl my ass up under there. I gotta go underneath, boy. I gotta go pearl diving, boy. You ever been pearl diving? You got a wife, man.
That'd be cool though.
So I'll come with this right here. Just like that.
Oil change, do control videos. You can learn anything. One day you might need it.
I gotta figure out what position I'm gonna get it. There we go. Oh, there it go, right there. Just like that. Put that right there like that. So I'm gonna slide all this shit this way. Just like that. Broken cigarette there, Conrad. Alright. So now I'm going under. So I'm putting, I got a 15 millimeter socket and a ratchet. And now I'm just taking the bolt off, the drain plug, and the oil gonna ease out. It's gonna come on out in a minute. Gonna spur out right about coming. Okay. Coming, screwing. Come on. There you go. And there she blows. There that motherfucker go.
So now you just gotta put it down and drop the oil in. All right. How many kids Boosie got? He probably got a whole flock of them.
I think he claiming his wife's children.
You said claiming his wife's children, so it ain't really his?
I don't know, but he killed the same woman for years. He talked about it, boy, my opinion, he said, boy, they interviewed him, he said, man, I ain't gonna lie. This career thing took my wife and me and my family through some unbelievable moments. But, you know, we hung in there.
Right. Yes, sir. So you took care of the job. Oh, you ain't poured in there yet.
Nah, I ain't got no more pour it in, baby.
You gotta pour all of that in there?
Every last bit of it.
Okay.
6 quarts.
That's the end of the video. Taught y'all something. If I didn't, oh well. Like, subscribe. Get at your boy. Yeah. Yeah, Migo whooping his ass. It look like Migo. Nah, that's white dog. This dude control videos, man. We keep it locked in, man. Whoop his ass, man. Whoop his ass, man. Who back here whooping ass? What the hell wrong with that lady? What the fuck wrong with that lady? Off that shit, man. Off that shit, man. Alright, let me go back over here and help Old School with his tire. I'll put a video up last